8th canto, 17th chapter, 13th verse. This is Aditi praying to the Lord, and the Lord has appeared. Now Lord has started instructing her. Tan vinirjitya samare durmadan asurashabhan pratilabda jayashivihi putrairichasi upasitum. O Devi, O Goddess, I can understand that you want to regain your sons and together with them to worship me after defeating the enemy in battle and retrieving your abode and opulences. So now we know, what does Shastra say? Akama sarva kamo va moksha kama udharidihi tivrena bhakti yogena yajeta purusham param. So Aditi ने भगवान की पूजा प्रेरणा माता जी, यू नो हिंदी ना? नो प्रॉब्लम?
यस प्रभु.
ठीक है. सो वी नो देयर इज Aditi has prayed. Aditi ने पूजा करी है. Why? कामा, मोक्ष कामा नहीं था, अकामा नहीं था, कामा था, सर्व कामा. अकाम सर्वो कामो वा मोक्ष काम उदारिधि. People can go to God for different purposes. Akama, they have no desire. They only want satisfaction of Krishna. Sarvakam, all the desires. Sari ichhaएं. Mokshakam, they want moksha. उनको मोक्ष चाहिए. So people can go to God either akama, sarvakama, mokshakama. These three kind of people can go to God. तीव्रेण भक्ति योगेन जजे, डज नॉट मैटर, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. चलो भाई भगवान के पास नहीं जा सकते, हम तो सर्वकामी हैं, नहीं जाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम, जाओ, भगवान देखेंगे कैसे अब सब कुछ एडजस्ट करने का. सो अदिति ने इतना बड़ा पूजा किया. अदिति हैज डन सो मच तपस्या टू प्लीज कृष्णा. बट तपस्या शी डिड? पयोव्रता, ड्रिंकिंग ओनली मिल्क. Now, it cannot go in vain. Krishna will give result. And Krishna, she followed her guru, her husband. So it has to yield result. Result is guaranteed. And Krishna is thinking what to do. It looks impossible actually. It looks like nothing can be done now. Looks all lost, because they are protected by the Brahmanas, and Krishna cannot take away anything which is protected by the Brahmanas. So Krishna is saying, I'll find a way out. Situation is a bit complicated. Just like Hiranyakashipu also, he had so many benedictions. He will not die in the day, he will not die in the night, he will not die on the ground, he will not die in the air, he will not be killed by man, he will not be killed by animal, he will not be killed by any weapon. और क्या बचा? हाँ, उन्हें क्या कहता है हिरण्यकशिपु को आशीर्वाद. So he made the situation very complicated. So Narsimhadeva killed him on the doorway. He will not be killed neither inside neither outside. So he killed him on the doorway. Neither on the ground, neither in the air. He killed him on his lap. Then he said, the details, Hiranyakashipu. And he said, no weapon. He killed him by the nail. And then it was neither man, neither animal. Yeah, it's neither. It's a combination. So basically, everything was there. Who is there? Somebody is trying to join. Just give me 1 second. Oh my God. Where is my mobile? Why they are calling me now? Sorry. Simply that. So all the ways it is not possible. Whatever they can imagine, nothing was working. Okay, so Krishna knew then how to adjust, and what did he come? He came with a unique form and he killed him. Okay? So after Krishna came with the Narsimha form and he killed him, very interesting thing happened. Okay. So then very interesting thing happened, that Brahma was there, and then Krishna, Narsimha there tells Brahma that don't give such benedictions. ऐसे आशीर्वाद क्या देते हो भाई, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया. ठीक है, अंदर नहीं, बाहर नहीं, ऊपर नहीं, नीचे नहीं, रात को नहीं, शाम को नहीं, है ना, सुबह नहीं. मेरा यू इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट क्यों करते हो? Krishna knows. Krishna honors what the devotees do, but Krishna knows how to find a way out. Situation was very complicated. Krishna found a way out. Yesterday we discussed, even Jayadatta thing, situation was very complicated. Correct? So this is one part of the thing. And then still, even though these Brahmanas were exalted, Shukracharya and other thing, Krishna should be equal. Why did he favor Aditi? This question may come. Anna? Namo Brahmana Devaya. So why did Krishna take away? The reason is very deep actually. Not one reason. There are many, many reasons. Krishna wanted to give Bali Maharaj even more benediction. Krishna is never doing sad for anybody. It is not that Shukracharya is also going to learn now. You see the reality. After the whole thing is over, Krishna asked Shukracharya, Vamandev, now whatever mistakes are there can be corrected. He said, no. Even Shukracharya learns. He sees how the Lord is so great. Good for him. Good for Bali Maharaj, because he personally gets mercy of Krishna. He gets chance to serve Krishna. He gets chance to offer everything to Krishna. Good for Bali Maharaj. And Krishna fulfills his desire also. Bali Maharaj's desire was to become Indra. Krishna fulfills that. It will be fulfilled in the next Manvantara. वो भी हो गया. And presently Bali Maharaj is staying in Sutala, guarded by Vaman Deva, and enjoying the nectar of association of the Lord. That is also good. And for Aditi is also happy because her children wanted back the kingdom. Everything Krishna accomplished in a unique way. So Krishna knows how to adjust these things. So it's not that it's unfavorable. Not that Krishna is all good. He is good for everybody. कृष्ण जी सभी के लिए अच्छे हैं. सबको अच्छा हुआ. आदित्य कोई बच्चे राजा बन गए, और बलि महाराज का भी इंद्र का इच्छा कृष्ण ने पूर्ण किया. सब कुछ कृष्ण एडजस्ट. शुक्राचार्य को कुछ ज्ञान मिला. एवरीथिंग. सो कृष्ण एडजस्ट दिस थिंग्स इन अ वेरी important way in that everybody can benefit. Just being Brahmana also doesn't mean somebody is a Vaishnava. May not be. Just like हमारे उसमें there is some Brahmanas like Yagnavalka. And there was one a situation. Yagnavalka is an impersonalist and is a great Brahmana. Today I was just making some study because I have a presentation of 6 systems in Indian philosophy. I was just hearing some lecture by somebody called Atma Tota Prabhu, one of the great orators of ISKCON. So he was explaining, he was telling that he put up the poster in Mayapur, 6 systems in Indian philosophy. And everybody knew at that time, 1988, he was a Muni. When he joined itself, he was a Swami. So Prabhupada had to give Diksha, so I said, Bhakta Swami. So Prabhupada said, what is this Bhakta Swami? He said, Swami Atmananda. So Prabhupada said, yeah, Atma Tattva Das. Prabhupada named him. So Prabhupada was very sorry. He was a big Swami that time. So later, because he knew all the impersonalism, everything, he became a great orator of ISKCON because he could actually explain things very nicely. So once devotee told him in Mayapur, you explain 6 systems because actually he can explain. So he gave the poster and some 100 or 200 people entered the small room. He was in Mayapur. So he was giving the class and he gave the class It was many days class. And after the end he said, because you came here, you're all fools. Actually, if it had been successful, then none of you should have come. Why you came? All the philosophies which are there are all atheisms actually. Which is of Gautama, all are atheism, Yagnavalka, everything. Why you all came? You are enjoying. You may say there is one Smriti regulation that unless somebody knows the 6 systems of philosophy and unless somebody can refute all the varieties of Mayavada Tattva, he should not become a guru. एक स्मृति का रेगुलेशन है. एक स्मृति में बहुत सारे रेगुलेशंस होते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ही वाज टेलिंग, एक स्मृति का रेगुलेशन है कि सन्यासी को समुद्र पार नहीं जाना चाहिए. प्रभुपाद जी समुद्र पार गए सन्यासी होके. यही नहीं, वहाँ पे म्लेच्छा यमुना को सन्यासी बनाया. और यही नहीं, उनको वृंदावन मायापुर लाके उनको बोला प्रवचन करो. So how he said, how you can justify all this? The people who are following Smriti will be shocked. So he said the justification is because how can they be even guru? So Prabhupada said, there are very nice answers he gave. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, just like university में एक normal system होता है, आपको डॉक्टर बनना है तो university also has an exception. Sometimes university gives honorary degree. Sometimes university, they will give, so Prime Minister of India visits Russia, they will give honorary doctorate. University can give if it wants. They give a doctorate degree honorary. You understand? Honorary. So similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is actually not following this normal way. He says honorary degree. What is that? यारे देखो तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश अमारा आज्ञा गुरु भय तारा ही देश. Amara, on my order, you all become guru. Just all become guru. Why? Only condition, speak Krishna Upadesha. So anybody speak, he said, I went to so many gurus in ISKCON. He said, can you tell me even the names of six systems of Indian philosophy? He said, many did not even know the names. So I was thinking, in the Smriti Shastra, regulation is, you should be able to defeat all the deviant philosophy, then you can become guru. They don't even know the names of what is Gautama saying, what Kannada is saying, what Yagnavalka is saying, and they are guru. ऐसा कैसे हो गया? तो गुरु बन गए, उनको नाम भी मालूम नहीं. ऑनररी डिग्री उनके पास. यही कृष्णा तत्ववेद है. ऐसे जो लोग हरि नाम जप करके कीर्तन कर रहे हैं, उनको इस जानने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. कोई जरूरत नहीं. That was very nicely he was explaining this. Actually there was no need. He said, all of you came, why you have come? Chant, dance, this is everything. If you have understood Krishna, there is no need to understand anything. And he says, very nice thing in the Smriti. Smriti comes from Manu. Smriti ke originate is Manu Smriti. All the rules, regulations. He said at the end, Manu, after writing Manu Smriti, says something interesting. He says, see, these Smritis I have given. But Krishna is the supreme personality. If he wants to intervene, then the Smritis can be neglected. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is intervening, the Smriti can be kept aside. Otherwise, it's the Smriti is like lot of rules, regulation, and sometimes Prabhupada, as a matter of etiquette, does himself tell. Actually, Smriti regulation is they should not be done. Smriti, this is there. But he knows this is the movement is very special movement of Lord Chaitanya. So there he was reciting a story of Yagnavalka, how powerful the Brahmanas are. We are not seeing Shukracharya is also very powerful. He is not ordinary. How much power Shukracharya has. He could make the people alive. Bali Maharaj actually had lost the previous war. He was dead. In Devata लोग थे तो Bali Maharaj को मार दिया था. है ना? He was. But you know that in the Yuddha when Bali Maharaj and Indra was about to fight, Indra and Bali Maharaj had a debate and Indra bowed his head down because Bali Maharaj spoke with great knowledge. He spoke with great knowledge. He was a very knowledgeable person. But he died. Because Indra's Vajra cannot, there is nothing which can stop Indra's Vajra. And when he died, Shukracharya made him alive. How powerful he was. Very powerful personality. Similarly, we know 12-year-old son of Shamika Rishi Shringi could curse to death. Parikshit Maharaj, how powerful Brahmanas are. So this was very interesting of Yagnavalka. So Dasharatha said that if anybody knows is the greatest scholar, I'll gift him 1,000 cows and on each of the horn of the cow there is a gold coin. So they get 1,000 cows with gold coin extra. So the great assembly people had collected. Who is the greatest scholar can come and take 1,000 cows decorated with gold. Take it. So all the scholars are waiting. Suddenly Yagnavalkya came. So he said, give me the cows. So Dasharath said, why? He said, you said who is the greatest scholar, he should take the cows. Because I say I want the cows, that means I am the greatest scholar. Over, argument is over. So Dasharatha said, no, wait a minute. So I want to give all the cows to the scholar, is it fine? The moment it touched the cow, the other scholars, they protested. So some scholar said, he asked, what is the greatest? Yagnavalkya said, that's Brahman. He was the impersonalist. So even I am saying, even though he is impersonalist, now look at his power. He says he is the impersonalist. So he said, what is the greatest? That is Brahman. The Yagnavalkya said, if you ask second question, your head will break into 1,000 pieces. So, and before he was about to ask second question, actually his head burst into 1,000 pieces. So he was Satya Sankalpa. He was become very powerful Brahmana just by purity. He was very, very, very powerful. And then, somebody, one was 6. So anybody now has a question? Whole audience of scholars was sitting. Nobody had courage to get up. But 6 scholars, some 6 people still got up. And one of them, asked some question, and Yagnavalkya kept answering. Then he said, yes, your answers are good. I bless you. You'll become a great scholar. So like that it happened, and somebody else asked some question, and he again answered that question. And he told him, what you are actually telling is the absolute truth. But if you cannot understand, your head will break into 1,000 pieces. And that person also died because he could not understand. He was such a powerful scholar. Then after that, he just walked away with all the cows. But actually, very nicely, Atmatattva Prabhu comments very nicely something amazing. He says these are all atheistic philosophies. They derive from the Vedas, but they're all Mayavada. You don't have your head to break into 1,000 pieces. Even if you try to understand your philosophy, your head will break into 1,000 pieces anyway. If you try to understand Mayavada, head will be torn into pieces. You go crazy. It's a crazy philosophy. He said, don't try to even understand. It's a crazy philosophy. Very interestingly. But these are powerful Brahmanas, and they had understanding of the Munis. They accept the Shastra. They are all Astika Brahmana. They accept the Shastra. But they squeeze out some atheistic conclusions out of that. And it becomes something very strange. Okay. So the Brahmana as a class in the Vedic culture are very powerful. But even Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, they have been glorified and worshipped. And in our movement, it was established by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, starting from that Brahmana is not by birth, and a Vaishnava is greater than a Brahmana. Okay? And Bhaktivinoda Thakur had great difficulty because it was beyond the people's matter of understanding. Society had accepted now Brahmana is only by birth. And people are not aware what is a Vaishnava. So this is Bhaktivinoda Thakur had a lot of work to do. And not only he did, his son also continued. Wonderfully, they all established the position of a Vaishnava much greater than that of a Brahmana. And this way, we can understand why did finally in this choice, Vamadeva favored a Vaishnava. Because Aditi worshipped Lord Vishnu with great devotion on the order of her husband, Guru, who is another Vaishnava. So he favored a Vaishnava more than a Brahmana. And in doing that, even Bali Maharaj was not a loser because he also got benediction. So in this systems, in this context here, the Brahmana is being a protection, source of protection. So Prabhupada said actually that's the Vedic culture. Vedic culture, we are not living by our own power. We are living by blessing. That's Vedic culture. Just like Vaikuntha world, everybody is a pure devotee. He can directly go to Krishna. But he lives on the shelter of other Vaishnavas. Correct? There is no need actually. वैकुंठ में किसी को जरूरत नहीं है दूसरा भक्त का सेवक करने की. डायरेक्टली कृष्ण का सेवक कर सकता है, सब शुद्ध भक्त है. लेकिन वैष्णव का लक्षण है वह दूसरा वैष्णव का सेवा करना चाहता है, दूसरे वैष्णव के शरण में रहना चाहता है. दैट्स द नेचर ऑफ अ ब्राह्मण आल्सो. Brahmana is also very buddhiman, just like very learned. And they naturally remain under shelter of Brahmanas. The khushi se rehte. There is a Shudra mentality to be live in independent, to remain alone. ये शूद्र का नेचर है. शूद्र को बड़ा घर चाहिए. This is our Shudra nature. Brahmana is not interested in all those things. Brahmana by nature is very pure. He doesn't have these पृथक भावास. Independent nature means उसको कुछ पाप कर्म करना है छुप के. कलयुग में छुप के मतलब पाप कर्म. Why he wants independent nature? They want to live together. And therefore it is said, Prasadam also Hari Bhakta Sangan. Some Kirtana. It is done together. Correct? That's the very principle. He wants to be together. And in being together, there is a lot of protection. Alone when we are, then nobody even knows whether I am chanted. Therefore in ISKCON also there is a law. आप जप करते हैं सबके सामने जप करने का. आप छुप के जप करें किसको कोई प्रमाण नहीं है. प्रमाण होना चाहिए. Somebody should be seeing your chanting. अदरवाइज क्या प्रमुख आप चैंट कर रहे हैं? You should chant publicly. Even for sannyasis it's an order. They have to chant publicly. नहीं मैं रूम में क्या मालूम आप किया है नहीं किया. It should be publicly done. There's no need to hide. Nothing to hide. Actually ब्रह्मचारी का जीवन should be transparent. उसका जीवन खुला होता है. उसमें सीक्रेट क्या है? सीक्रेट खाली पाप कर्म करने के लिए लोग सीक्रेट चाहते हैं. ऐसा ब्रह्मचारी का जीवन खुला होता है. कुछ नहीं, दरवाजा खुला, सब खुला. उसको छुपने के किस चीज़ के लिए छुप रहा है? छुपता है मतलब गारंटीड कलयुग में पाप कर्म कर रहा है. किस लिए छुप रहा है? क्या छुपाना चाहते हो भाई? क्या छुपा रहे हो? है ना, क्या छुपा रहे हो? वैष्णवा के कैसे वैष्णव तो तुम है ना. भक्तिसिद्धांत प्रभुपाद क्या है ना, वैष्णवा के क्या वैष्णव हो तुम. वैष्णव को कुछ नहीं छुपाना. वो तो खुला है. उसका जीवन खुला है. क्या सोच रहे हो? खुला है. क्या लिख रहे हो? खुला है ना. देयर इज नथिंग हिडन. क्या छुपाना चाहते हो? सो वैष्णव लाइफ शुड बी वेरी ओपन, वेरी क्लियर, ट्रांसपेरेंट. देयर इज नथिंग टू हाइड इन अ वैष्णव लाइफ. ही डजंट वांट आइसोलेशन. ही वांट्स टू लिव विद डिवोटीज. है ना. ऑलवेज द नेचर ऑफ अ वैष्णव, ही वांट्स टू लिव विद डिवोटीज. व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज? इज प्रोटेक्टेड. जैसे आप कुछ गलत काम कर रहे हो, ठीक है, इतना भी घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं गलत काम नहीं कर सकता. कि हम सब गलत काम करते हैं, लेकिन जो दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं तो सुरक्षा रहता है. इसलिए हमारे को याद है, आई रिमेंबर व्हेन यू ओपन द टेम्पल इन बैंगलोर, वेरी बिग ब्रह्मचारी आश्रम वाज देयर. Big ashram for 200 brahmacharis. And there were only 50 brahmacharis. So everybody got one room, lock, chain. It a matter of time, everybody started going crazy. सब लोग पागल होना शुरू हो गए. The president understood the reason. Independent room. सारे दीवारें तोड़ दी. सारी दीवारें तोड़ दी. He broke all the walls. सब रूम कनेक्ट कर दिए. डॉर्मेट्री बना दिए. बिकॉज भक्त के संग में रहने में आपको बचना है. अकेले रहोगे, दरवाजा बंद के अंदर सीधा 100% कर लेंगे, पाप कर्म करोगे. मैं साइन करके दे देता हूँ. 100% गारंटीड. कलयुग का जीव है यार. अपने को घमंड किया, तुम्हारा कलयुग का छोटा सा जीव है, तो क्यों माया से अकेले फंसना चाहते हो? अकेले बैठोगे माया गला पकड़ लेगी. भक्तों के साथ रहोगे, सुरक्षा रहता है. ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्शन. Always protection. To stay with the devotees is protection. Because even if you're trying to do something wrong, somebody will save you. Save you. Correct? Number one, isn't it? What is the advantage when you live together? If you're about to do something wrong, Vaishnava will save you. Don't do this. This is not good. And then you're getting association. हैं? ये कैसे हो गया? इतने बड़े परमहंस हो गए, किसी का संग नहीं चाहिए तुमको. इधर संग नहीं करोगे, कर्मी लोगों का संग करोगे. बहुत लोगों को देखा है, भक्तों का संग नहीं लेते, कर्मी लोगों का संग लेते हैं, और उनको कर्मी बड़े अच्छे लगने लगते हैं. ये भी मजाक है. बड़े बड़े कर्मी लोग जिनको कृष्ण का एक नाम तक मालूम नहीं है, बड़े उनके हीरो बन जाते. हीरो तो बनेगा ही. अगर भक्तों के संग में रहोगे तो भक्त हीरो बनेंगे आपके. आपको तरह तरह के भक्त के गुण देंगे. यार ही इज ऑल्सो. तो ही पता चलेगा मैं ही सब कुछ नहीं हूँ, बाकी लोग के पास भी गुण है.